Can we find the value of x in this equation? Okay, let's do it together. All right, so we have 8 plus x root 12 equal to 8x over root 3. So we have to take it step by step so that we don't make a mistake. First of all, this 12 here is not a set, okay? To make it a set, we can simplify it. So we can have 8 plus, I like to put mine this way, root 12x, okay, equal to 8x all on root 3. Then 8 plus, so 12 becomes square root of 4 times 3. Okay, and we know square root of 4 times 3 is root 12. X equals, now we can also rationalize this, okay? So rationalizing the denominator to get 8x all on root 3 times root 3 over root 3. We've not changed the question because root 3 over root 3 is 1, okay? Good. So simplifying, you're going to get 8 plus, so this is going to be root 4 times root 3, okay? But root 4 is what? 2. So this becomes 2 root 3. X equals, let me bring it down, equals, now rationalizing this, we're going to have, so root 3 times 8 is going to be 8 root 3 x all over root 3 times root 3 is root 3 square, which is what? 3. Good. So we're going to have 8 plus 2 root 3 x equal to 8 root 3 x all on 3. So we can get rid of this fraction by multiplying through by 3, okay? So multiplying through by 3 is going to be 3 times 8 plus 3 into brackets 2 root 3 x equals 3 into brackets 8 root 3 x all on what? 3. So we can do our cancellations, 3 cancels this, and then we are going to get, so 3 8 24 plus 3 2 6 root 3 x equals 8 root 3 x. Now it is looking good, but we can simplify. This is 24 6 8. We can cancel out, okay? So 2 can cancel out, so we divide everything by 2, and that's going to give us 2 divides 24. We're going to get 12 plus 3 root 3 x equals 4 root 3 x. Good. Now simplifying, this is 3 root 3 x and this is 4 root 3 x, so we can subtract. So subtract this from both sides, and that's going to give us 12 plus 0, okay, because this and this goes to 0, plus 0 equals, we're going to have 4 root 3 x minus 3 root 3 x. Therefore, you're going to have 12 equals, so we have root 3x, meaning they can subtract, okay? So we're going to have 4 minus 3 is going to give us 1 root 3x, and that's going to give us root 3x. But we are looking for x, so we can divide through by what? Root 3 over root 3. So now we know x equals 12 over root 3. But we cannot leave it this way because the denominator is an irrational number, which is root 3. So let's rationalize the denominator. So that's going to be times root 3 on root 3. So you're going to have x equals 12 root 3 over root 3 square, which is what? 3. And we can cancel out. 3 goes here 1, 3 goes here 4, which is equal to 4 root 3. So therefore, the value for x in the above equation is 4 root 3. If you enjoy contents like this, don't forget to leave a like and follow me for more.